how to log into your Giffgaff account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Giffgaff is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open your application, right? So after opening your application here, what you're going to do is simply tap on the login option right here. Then from here, you need to accept to the terms and condition and privacy policy, then tap on continue. And then what we're going to do is simply, it will take us to other link where it will take us to our login page. From here, all you need to do is add in your mobile number, or you can add in your member name or your email address right here. Then add in the password of your account. Then after doing that, you can simply tap on login, and then you'll be logged into your Giffgaff account just like that, right? So unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on the option forgot your password right here, and then you can add in your mobile number, email, or your member name, and then tap on send me a recent link, and you will actually be receiving a link. All you need to do is simply tap on that link and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. So in case if you have forgotten your member name, you can also tap on the option forgotten your member name, and then you'll actually be able to go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover that one too. So that is exactly how you'll be able to log in to your Giffgaff account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.